Alright guys, we're out here at the local Pull It Park yard, and what we're going to do is we're going to go in there, find some vehicles to get us some Hemi swap parts today. We're going to show you what you need to grab when you're out here and why they're valuable to you.
Awesome. And we are out at Pull It Park in Greenwell Springs, Louisiana. Let's roll. Alright Blake, what we about to do right now?
We are in the Pull It Park yard still, and what we're doing is looking for an early 2000s Mercedes Benz. We're going to go find some valuable parts there for our Hemi swaps.
Let's roll. And at this Pull It Park, it says all imports are the same, no matter Japanese, European, whatever. All y'all go on the junk side. So we are looking for a Benz.
Too good at spotting Benz. There's one over there, but it's like 90s, it looks like. Some wagon thing over there. The 99 and the 2000.
Alright, we'll find one. Stay tuned. Alright, Blake. You found something?
Found something. So this is a 99, the decal says an M-Class Mercedes SUV. Very easy to spot. The bell crank is right up here at the top of the firewall. Right here. So here's the cable that comes from the pedal inside, and it connects to the bell crank sensor, which is bolted right here on this whole bracket. It's a plastic bracket. You could take these two 8mm bolts with 10mm heads, and the sensor comes right off the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy off. This is a great alternative if you cannot find the 2003, 2004 Dodge truck bell crank assemblies. You can run this guy. You can pull the entire bracket off, or even if you just need a replacement sensor, you could find them here. The foot pattern for the bolting is the same. One thing to be conscious of is the connector on these guys. So some years in Mercedes actually have a 5-wire connection instead of a 6-wire connection, as you'll see in the Hemis. What you need to do is get the service manual for this exact vehicle that you're pulling it from. If it's a 5-wire, you're only going to have one 5-volt reference wire, and you're just going to take those two in your harness. So let's say you have a 6-wire in your Hemi swap. You'll take the two 5-volt reference wires, twist them together, and connect it to the one 5-volt reference pin on the Mercedes unit. Other than that, it's all the same, and you can use them interchangeably.
Awesome. There it is, right on top, guys.
Right there. So we'll get that sucker off.
So are they usually on top like that? Or
Yeah, Mercedes usually are right up top on this side.
Okay.
Some may be maybe a couple inches lower, right to the side of the brake master, but they're all going to be in this general area.
Awesome.
Alright, so we'll get our bolts out here, pull this guy up. You'll notice nearly identical to the one found in the 2003, 2004 truck bell crank assemblies. This happens to be a 6-wire at the bottom, so there's really no difference. We just wire this guy up just as you would the 2003, 2004 pedal. Pop off this ball socket, undo the connector, you're good to go. If I can fiddle it with my short self. There you go. Got that guy. It's in there. Got it.
Alright. Sweet. Another part.
Another part.
How much does that cost, Blake?
Retail on a brand new one, I've seen them range anywhere between $150 to $280. So it's really worth it to come to a Pull It yard if you can. Yeah, it's a little bit of work. You get nasty, and to me it doesn't bother me, but it'll save you a lot of money. You could probably get this for about 10 or 12 bucks at a Pull It yard. Good thing is they're plentiful. pick a few of them. Even if half of them are duds, you're still way better off than paying $280 for one.
Awesome. Let's get the badge on this, see where we got it from. It's like a ML Mercedes ML. Well, there's no badge because there's no trunk. But
Hi, I'm Caleb.